Okay, that's better. Welcome to the show tonight, everybody. Pro Se Legal School. We brought the tools. You do the punching and the kicking before or after it's down. It doesn't matter. Welcome to the People's Ring. Yeah, I saw my little red light on the mic right when I checked it. When I checked it in the end, so we're good. I think we are. Welcome you people tonight. So yeah, man, it started on time. Where the hell the time is when we get her. What's up? Thank you, Allison. Thank you. Okay, so you guys know why we're here tonight. You know, we had somebody from Rick's Constitutional Law all over our live stream, and in my opinion, they were disrespectful. They didn't let me finish what I was doing before they were all over everything. They were so excited, and I haven't been contacted by anybody from over there yet. And I think the guy's name starts with a J that actually was doing the talking. I don't think I don't know. I know that I remember stuff, and I think the person, his real name starts with a J, but he could have been working for this other person that owns Rick's Constitutional, whatever. But so the reason I wanted to talk to him before he started mouthing off and doing all this stuff on the live stream is because what if I don't agree with him? What if I don't agree with what they're doing? Eh. And if y'all read anything, y'all already know that I don't. Now, I haven't exactly said why yet. So, has anybody got any guesses why I don't agree with how the Mr. Rick or whoever that was doing the constitutional law stuff that was at our stream? Oh, JD Doctrine. Yeah. Okay, so, I play football, I used to box, and not this kind of boxing, because I would never. Well, no. Okay, but I'm just gonna go here. When I gotta go look up the word, okay, I've been doing this a long time. When I gotta go look up the word, then to me, it don't, yep. That's what they get after they graduate. So tonight, I'm just I'm just going to go over some facts the way I see them, and put on the table what my concerns are about having connecting with whoever that was and doing. I'm not sure why they want to do something with me, and I asked him twice. I want to go to his live stream. I still do. So yeah, I can let him see how it feels when people are disrespectful. But it's all right. He can come to mine on Sunday, and he can and so what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna go over why I got a problem with his stuff, and then he can come Sunday. He come to the ring with me Sunday. And explain to everybody why what I got to say is a bunch of crap. So, anybody got a guess that, and it's something that we talk about all the time. Yeah, Miracle Music Ministry. You're real close. Yep. So if he went to their school, then how's he gonna do shit? I mean, let's just cut to the chase. Oh, if he went to their school and he's doing things in the conventional way that things are done, who's going to make the call at the end of the day? Who's going to make the call? Okay, you know, the judge is not a constitutional judge, and this is the answer I was looking for. It's an administrative judge. Administrative judge has no judicial authority to be doing shit. Oh, wait, the Constitution? It's not from the administrative part of their crap, it's from the judicial part. So I don't care how badass constitutional law you got, if you ain't stopping the court process, you're going to get your ass trumped over. And the constitutional lawyer that you paid is going to get his or her cut to pay off those school loans and shit. I don't know. Maybe I oh, maybe I have no idea what I'm talking about. But here's what I do know. What I do know is that if this constitutional attorney takes your ass into his administrative court, because he's part of that court too, or he would be doing things differently, like we're doing, he wouldn't be part of the process over there. And I don't know. You guys can weigh in on this and let me know if you think that okay, because if the constitutional lawyer takes you into the administrative court because there's no judicial court, then the court is operating from the local rules. The same local rules that was structured by the Supreme Court. The one that gave the constitutional lawyer I don't know. I'm not as smart as these fools. Okay? But I don't like getting punched in the face a whole bunch of times. So if the constitutional lawyer, Mr. Rick's constitutional law, has got some other plan that's not taking y'all ass into the court with the local rules to drain your bank account with all these hearings and bullshit and stuff. So Rick or Joey, whoever that was, come to the stream on Sunday and you can answer some of these questions. Okay, because I got more. You think I'm off and going to talk about it? I have more questions for you. Okay, this question I have for you is, how much do you charge for your constitutional law help, assistance, or maybe you could just tell him what you call it, because I ain't trying to assume shit. How much do you charge for that? That's and what does it? Do you teach? Do people learn how to do the shit themselves, or do you take care of it for them in the administrative court that you're a part of? I mean, I don't know. I'm assuming those last three things. I'm assuming those last three things, but you need to let me know. You was all over my shit last week and talking to everybody on getting everybody all, So just tell us, how much do you charge for your help? And do you teach people how to do it themselves? Because if your ass don't teach people how to do it themselves, and 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 you don't teach people that you have no chance in administrative court because they structured the rules that the asses ain't following. Mm-hmm. Okay, so no. Do you teach people anything? Oh, and this one I want to, Rick. I want you to answer this at the gate, Rick or Joy or whatever your name is. Who is that? How many cases have you won in litigation, and how many cases have you? Yeah, y'all ass know where I'm going with this. How many cases have you won in litigation, and how many cases have you pleaded out? And I'm not done. I'm not done. Y'all just chill right now. I'm on a roll. So, how many of those cases did you plead out? And the cases that you pleaded out, did you receive a $3,500 assistance of counsel bonus from the government just from getting them to sign the plea deal? Or did you receive a percentage of, well, you know, you know what I'm asking. So I like to know, and I think other people would like to know these things too. So, what is the value that you're bringing to the table to be included in our live stream here? I would like to know that. What is the value you're bringing to the table? Because you couldn't shut your mouth long enough the other day to listen to anything anybody else had to say. So I want to know, what is the value that you're bringing to the table, and the reason why I should allow you to be a part of our program we have here. Okay, our program was structured off the real-time feedback from all these people, and some of the people that ain't here, people in the 10,000 something subscribers, and the Facebook groups that we had, Our program was structured from real-time feedback from those people. What was your what was what was your program structured from? It seemed like a fair question. And what do you do? What exactly do you do for people? And what did you do before you got the job that you're doing now? And what was the reason why you're not doing that? Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'm the litigation commando stopper, I guess. But these are questions that I want to know. If I was going to, who makes the call? Who makes the call on the constitutional rights laws and stuff that the constitutional right lawyer is going to help you with? Who's going to make the call on that shit at the end of the day? Oh. Oh, yeah. Welcome, Ken, from Northern California. All right, cool. Welcome to the show. And no, they don't have any license. The license y'all get from my website is more real than Oh, and you don't have to spend the rest of your life screwing people over to pay for it because it's only $25. Yep. Well, the whole process is fake because you're in administrative court. That's why we've learned to go in, stop in the court process, add in the players that are doing this stuff to their own stuff. You can add plaintiffs to their own stuff just like they add defendants after they get done paying more snitches. Oh, some of y'all know what I'm talking about. My health and my guts. And what would you do? What would you do with American Music Ministry if you had my health and my guts? Because someday may come for me. But you know what I say? All I got to say is I watch TV, I watch enough movies, and I feel sorry for that one dude that got to come. You know what I'm talking about. The one that got to come and take the picture. Yeah, that's the one I'm feeling bad for. Oh, that's the one I'm feeling bad for. In the client in seconds. Well, that's kind of true, Ken, if you poll. No offense, Ed. I'm not saying you poll, Ken. You got to. But if you got money, they're not going to end nothing in no seconds, and that's their conventional process. Part of what I have a problem with, and I'm not. Yep. No, they beat you down. They beat you down with that. No, Ken. You're right with the first one. Their first duty is to their brethren, protecting the judge. Second, and okay. You have to go look this up because you wouldn't believe me. You wouldn't believe me if I told you how far down the list the client is. Okay? But I'm going to tell you this. The client is underneath the freaking public. Okay? I don't know how I can remember this shit. I'm a freak. Okay? But I was going to tell you, go look that up. I read that. The damn client is underneath the public. And the public is 5 or 6 people down the list. But you got the right idea. But yeah, it's down where the shit rolls. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, Mirago. I'm just gonna call you M because your name's too long. Melhead, good evening. Got an itch in my ear. I hope it don't blow up on me while I'm Yeah, I wore this dark shirt so I can see if there's any red dots on me. But that's all right, because this program was structured to operate without me here. And we're going to talk about that in the end. People calling and whining and, because I'm not here holding your hand and all that shit. Program, this is school, okay? We're not here to help you hurry up and prepare to stop the sentencing hearing or to block. We're here to help you learn how to hold these people accountable for what they're doing. Now, if you do that right, all this other shit is going to get stopped. But if you don't, and you think you can cut corners because you don't have time to watch the instructional videos, the updated instructional videos, and then when you call me asking me shit that's in the, then I have an attitude, Wait, and then I'm rude. Oh, well, we don't. I don't deal with drama either. So people call me talking shit or start saying, "Hey, I paid so much money." Well, did you watch this? Well, no, I am not. Well, I got. Well, I no. If you didn't watch and do what we asked you to do, then there's no value in our conversation going any further. So, because it's only going to end up in you telling me I'm rude or me telling you to go do what the hell needs to be done. So, and that's the coaching part. So I don't really care if you like me. I try and be respectful and keep in mind what the goal is. Now, I don't have very many people who went through that, and in the end, maybe they didn't like me a lot, but they still respected me because they kicked their ass. So I created a license that allow a man to do things that are under normal conditions would would be considered illegal. Says I don't I don't okay, so their license is for corporations to screw people over. My license is for an individual person to do whatever they want. There's no license that says there's no law that there's no such. The Supreme Court ruled in Swear versus the Board of Examiners that no state can license practice of law. So there ain't no license practice law, and no state can license practice of law. So I didn't even know why you're bringing up this shit. This is ridiculous here. Oh, under normal conditions, I don't know what a normal condition is. All I know is, thanks, my dog. All I know is that they're all full of crap, and it smells. So dude. We've been punched in the face. I've been dragged out, hauled off my wife, dude. So no, we already learned that going through their court process, whether you have a constitutional attorney or not, you might as well just throw your shit in the yard, because until you stop the court by adding those players who are doing this to their own shit as plaintiffs, you can add them as a counterclaim to their own thing without having to pay a dime. As plaintiffs, you can have plaintiffs just like they have snitches. Mm-hmm. And so judge don't have no immunity. They have your ass in administrative court. It's not judicial. Look that shit up. It says judicial immunity qualified for judicial immunity. So you have to qualify for that shit by doing the right thing or whatever. And that's out. Okay, so if the judge don't have immunity, attorney, nobody has immunity, then can you sue them for the property at the gate? Hell yeah. My sister did it several years back. We added the attorney's property to the lawsuit. We served the attorney's spouse because her name was assigned on the property, and they were really freaking mad. And no, I can't really talk about how that ended, but my sister was happy and she loves me. She bought me steak from Chicago Steakhouse. That's all I can say. Yeah, I don't know. No, I believe English. I don't know what any of that means. If I remember correctly, my 42 USC 1983 foreclosure lawsuit package was still on sale for $300. So nobody trying to pay poor house. I ain't trying to hear none of that. $300. I could be the snitch. Three of my lies before you were talking about there was even. So what lies are you talking about? Solar, I know what you're talking about. So, and I could be a snitch. Oh, the definition of license. Oh, okay, I got you. I think so. You do your homework, man. Yeah, the book. Yeah, I got the book right here. Thank you. I forget to stick it up here. I get a little wound up sometime. Uh, yeah, but it's on Amazon. Yeah, we need to put some more in it because it's not. I need to reel it in on one of those refrigerator dollies because it needs to be big. Yeah, well, you say what I'm getting. That's what I'm using if they ever come back and harass me. So it goes right after them, attacks them, shuts that shit down because they're not registered. Oh yeah, I have payment plans for everybody. You guys get it all free. Come on now. I don't have no payment plan. If it was, it'd be on the website. And if I did, this ain't the good place to ask me for it because now everybody's disabled and everybody wants to get on a payment plan. So there you go with that. We're going live right here. No payment plan. I have a $300 package to help you save your house from foreclosure. I suggest you go get it. I don't have nothing to talk to you about, man. I didn't know. Oh, are you grumpy, Mister Jezediah? Yeah. Are you him? Because you talked to me a little bit the other day. I made a video about that. I'm not sure who you are. I don't have any reason to talk to you, so you should go to the website and get what you need. I don't convince people and I don't argue with people and I don't listen to people send me nasty stuff. So Shattered by Corruption is the name of the book. Shattered by Corruption. Shattered by Corruption. Lawrence, Kansas police corruption in the Yellow House case. Oh, okay, that's what you're talking. That's what you're talking about. Well, that was back when I was going through it. Maybe a higher or lower. Okay. So yeah, I was trying to keep it real. Oh yeah, everything's free. Same frog, dog. Yeah, that's more of their fake stuff. Oh. 99.9, huh? I was like, I know, is that the point off? 29.8. Yeah, well, there's no criminal statutes don't have enacting clauses, titles over or bodies. So, just like the state statutes. So, and Title 18 was never ratified. And I know I have people want me to show them the proof. I don't need to. All y'all ask need to just go look, and you'll see there's no enacting clause, no title, no body. Okay, that's all you need to know. You want to find you want to do the homework to figure out why I'm saying, okay, then hop your ass over there and spend some time like I did doing it. So you know. Because I could be a liar. I'm just saying. Thank you, Allison. My girlfriend worked hard on it. Okay, Ty, welcome to the show. Welcome. So you guys make sure that you hear, and if you hear, or if any of you guys have been communicating with this dude that was all over everything last week, you can let him know that that we got some questions that we like to ask him before we consider bringing him to our program here that we built with honest people that don't like attorneys. Okay, so starting next week or on Sunday too, when we have the live stream, I'm going to have a section at the end of the stream where I can answer questions from people who actually invested in the lawsuit packages. If you have a question that hasn't been answered on the Twitter coaching page, sometime I get rolling and I don't even know the whole day passed and I haven't been there. So. And this is going to give now. I'm not going to add this big old long. And if you have a question that's from about the lawsuit package, applying it or whatever, that's not mentioned in the instructional video, the update instructional video, and it's something that other people can benefit from, then we'll go over it. We're not going to talk about something that pertains only to like 1% of the people. And so hopefully that'll provide a little more information at the end of the live stream. And if there are people with questions, because people email me and then I don't get to it, and then I get and then people call me, and I had N call me today, and for some reason it went straight to voicemail, and so. Then she emailed me, let me know that she called me and wanted me to know I didn't have time to check all those emails and stuff. And voicemails, holy crap, I cannot believe that these spam people are able to spam you right to your freaking cell phone and leave a voice message. And people are killing me. So it's better to, if I'm expecting your call, it's better to leave me a message, a short text message. And then that way I can, if you don't have an opportunity to leave me a short text message, then it's likely the call dropped or for some reason it didn't go through, because I look at my phone and like today, and all the calls that came through were spam. So I called them back and they were all spam. So this person's call went straight to voicemail. So we're going to have a question and answer section at the end of the stream starting on Sunday. I'm also going to have a new playlist that I'm going to add to the channel, to the YouTube channel, and I have video. I have a video from I can't think of the guy's name, of him getting arrested, and then I have a couple other videos of some people filing stuff in court. This playlist is going to be for police videos of clerk, or videos of the court, stuff that family can watch. So just little short videos, and if you make a video about your judge, and it doesn't have to be an actual video in the court, because if you're in federal court, you're not going to be able to do that, and I don't need that over here. Okay, but you can make it afterwards and pull up the website and get the judges, And so the beauty of that is that my YouTube channel is SEO'd. So the stuff on my YouTube channel ranks higher than other people's stuff. And, I don't know, a year or so ago, 8 or 9 months ago, Tammy was jamming with Judge Christoph, and we made a video of her. And it said she was helping fellow bar members, assisting fellow bar members or whatever. And that video showed right underneath Judge Kristoff's picture on the federal website for the state of Tennessee. And I made a screenshot of it because it didn't take them long to fill that shit out with 22 pages of stuff. So the point here is that if you make the video and you add these people's names to it, and I post it on my thing, it could show up underneath their stuff. Okay, wait. Over here we roll with no limitations. Okay, so how do you think it goes when that video on the YouTube channel gets emailed to all the court officers and all the city managers, the planning department, you have the sheriff department, all their emails are all right there on the website. I don't think I've ever done that before. Oh, now everybody sees that shit. Oh, now they're forced to visualize their shared liability. You don't need one butthead to step out or to have a problem or whatever. That's a pretty powerful tool. Having the judge's name on your videos that's showing up on my channel that I've been doing for, I think it said 6 or 7 years. The other thing I want to tell you guys too, if you invest in a lawsuit package, make sure that you copy and paste the document into your own Word before you personalize it. Otherwise, it could end up in OneDrive and your information, your information is already public, so it ain't nothing like that to be worried about. Okay, but I may see it and see if you messed up. Or your information might be in someone else's thing. So you need to copy and paste the stuff in your own into your own Word before you personalize it, and save the original file clean. And then that way you can use it to help other people with or whatever. Hey, Gino. Okay, man, you can take this old stuff over to the coaching crew, but it's not what we talk about here. So, and I don't really talk about people's stuff because I'm not an attorney. I don't tell you what to do. You got to go to the website that's flashing across the bottom of the screen and take a look at the options that you have. And you have to take my stuff over to their shit. Okay, you can't bring their shit over here. You got to take my stuff over there. That's how this works. And so you got to go figure that out. Been fighting them for 98 months, huh? Well, we already come together over here. Yes, you got that right. And they're not fake, and they're not fiction. They're real. Everything that they're doing is a lie. And so it takes, a lot of people think they're doing their research and they only go 1 or 2 pages. And everything that they're looking at has bar association on it. I don't know why you need to call me, Jen. I have a coaching group. I think you're in that group. Oh, that'd be great. You should get you a package and get started. Thank you guys for the value of sharing your time. I am going to get off here so I can get to work. I'll see you guys in the next live stream.